when children look forward to their favorite presents from their parents. But guess what? What if their parents decided to trick them? So, here is a monologue performed by Spandan and written by Sydney, asking parents to stop mixing up Christmas and April Fool's Day. Yo, what's up, guys? Guess what I saw? Hidden inside my pants closet. The biggest present ever. Like elephant big. Okay, not that big, but you get what I mean. This thing is giant. So anyways, I was going to my parents' room to get my dad's big jacket for the Christmas party, where I saw this huge box all neatly wrapped up. I went closer and on top was my name. Yes, mine. To Spandan, written in big black letters. Ha! This has to be a PS4. I'm ready for Christmas. Christmas. PS4. I need to get that PS4 because I'm going to get all the new PS4 controllers and I can finally play Fortnite! Let's go! Okay, so it was my turn. I reached out and ripped apart the paper as fast as I could. And inside was a box. And when I opened that, can you guess what's inside? Another box. And when I opened that, another box. And can you guess what's next? Another box. Whew. By now, I knew that this had to be a great gift. Because who would go through all this trouble to wrap a gift that isn't great? A few boxes later, I knew I had to be down to the last box. But it looked too small to be a PS4. What if it could be money or a PS4 gift card? So when I opened that, inside was a sock. Seriously? I mean, I thought I'll get something better than these smelly things. And oh, they were way too small. And the color? Orange with blue stripes. Jeez. My parents looked at me like I should love them. Aren't they great? My dad said. What were you expecting? I didn't know how to answer. Thanks, I said sarcastically. And then I saw my brother laughing. And my parents were too. How could they? How mean could they get? I ran towards my room when my dad stopped me. Won't you look inside the socks? I really didn't want to. But Christmas was already ruined. So I put my hand inside the sock and out came a PS4 gift card! Yes! Woohoo! Well guys, what I got wasn't a PS4, but a PS4 gift card. Yeah, I was happy, but they didn't have to practically make me cry beforehand. Parents, let this be a learning lesson for you. Christmas is Christmas and April Fool's Day is an entirely different holiday. It's not funny to mix them up.